Deep in the shadowy forest, where the trees stood tall and the fog rolled low, lived a monster named Milo. Now, Milo looked like a typical monster. He had big feet, green fur, and 3 glowing eyes. But Milo wasn't scary at all. In fact, he was gentle, quiet, and kind. Every time he tried to say hello to travelers or villagers, they would run away screaming, "It's a monster!" they'd shout, even though Milo never hurt anyone. He just wanted a friend. Milo spent his days helping the forest animals, untangling birds from branches, lifting heavy rocks so rabbits could pass, and planting new trees where old ones had fallen. Still, he felt lonely. Maybe if I looked different, they wouldn't be afraid, he sighed. One day, something unexpected happened. A little girl named Lena wandered into the forest, chasing her lost kitten. The kitten had climbed up a high tree and couldn't get down. Lena looked up, tears in her eyes. "Please, someone help." Milo had been hiding nearby. His heart raced. This was his chance to help someone. But what if she screamed too? Taking a deep breath, Milo stepped out of the shadows. Lena froze. Her eyes widened. But before she could run, Milo raised a gentle paw and pointed to the kitten. Very carefully, he climbed the tree and brought the kitten down, placing it softly in her arms. Lena looked up at the towering monster. "Thank you," she said with a smile. "You're not scary at all." Milo blinked. No one had ever said that to him before. "Would you like to be my friend?" she asked. From that day on, the villagers learned the truth, that Milo wasn't a monster to fear. He was a monster full of kindness. And kindness, they realized, isn't about how you look, it's about what you do. And Milo? He finally got what he had always wanted. Not just to be seen, but to be understood.